There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. The Tiger Wrench is handy, convenient, and saves you time. With this one tool, you can tackle dozens of projects around the house, on the road, in the garage, or on the job. You'll use your Tiger Wrench all the time. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
Cutting metal can be difficult, labor-intensive, and often downright dangerous. Tin snips or grinders, shears, oxyacetylene or plasma cutters. They're dangerous, hot, produce sparks, leave burrs, or warped metal edges. Introducing the Cannibal, the powerful and versatile professional nibbler with a patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs easier, faster, and safer. Fitting effortlessly into any standard drill, the Cannibal can glide through material up to 2 millimeters thick or 14 gauge and to a radius as small as 8 millimeters or 5/16ths of an inch. Sheet metal, corrugated material, pipes, complex profiles, powder-coated material, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, fiberglass, even soft materials such as denim, leather, paper, or card. The Cannibal is so versatile, it can handle it all with ease. Take a look at the Cannibal's patented cutting action. Driven by the circular motion of the drill, the case-hardened die and the high-speed steel cutting punch perform a rapid up and down motion, punching out the material on the upstroke into the die. This creates a precision, burr-free edge. No need for filing and no distortion of the material edge that you get with other cutting tools. DIY handymen, farmers, plumbers, electricians, roofers, panel beaters, car restorers, arts and craft. This is a powerful tool that will change the way you think about cutting sheet material and open up new possibilities that will save you time and effort on many jobs. The Cannibal, the powerful and versatile professional nibbler with a patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs easier, faster, and safer. A nibbler made in the spirit of days gone by, when things were made to last.
It's time to clear out that old drawer of screwdrivers and make space for the ultimate tool to cover you for almost every job. Introducing Tool Pro Auto Loading Multi-Bit Screwdriver. This screwdriver is unlike any other tool in the market. Simply find out the bit you need, twist, slide, and you're good to go. Get the job done in seconds. No more hunting around for the perfect sized screwdriver. Keep one in your toolbox and one in your kitchen drawer and you'll be set for just about any job around the home and garage. Fixing toys, opening remote controls, replacing batteries, screwing in light fittings, or assembling furniture. The Tool Pro Auto Loading Screwdriver is going to be your new best friend. This brilliant multi-purpose screwdriver sets the standard for awesome utility tools with a selection of slotted, Phillips, square, hex and Torx bit drivers, all available at the flick of a wrist. The screwdriver comes with 4 different coloured chambers, each loaded with a different type of bit. But you're not limited to the setup supplied. You can even mix and match different bit types and sizes into each chamber to make your auto-loading screwdriver a perfect match for your needs. Changing between bits occurs in one smooth movement by sliding the lever back, rotating the chamber to the bit you need, and sliding the lever forward again. Or if you require a different type of bit for the job, slide the lever back, change the chamber, rotate to the bit you need, and slide the lever forward again. The ToolPro auto-loading multi-screwdriver is also much faster than regular screwdrivers, as it features a ratchet mechanism to help make light work of those larger jobs. So if you're sick of never having the right tool for the job, you need the ToolPro auto-loading multi-screwdriver.
This is the Extend and Climb telescoping ladder. It is convenient to store and transport. It is also lightweight and easy to use. True telescoping technology is the patented technology behind Extend and Climb's series of telescoping ladders. Ladders with true telescoping technology provide maximum versatility and have been tested and surpassed ANSI and OSHA standards. True telescoping technology is safe and easy to use with its patented lock and release system. The design of the ladder allows it to firmly stay in place on all 4 points of contact. The feet of the ladder feature a double over mold design that provides strength, durability, and secure traction. Storing ladders with true telescoping technology is easy. They collapse down to the size of a lawn chair. Extend and Climb ladders can be transported in any sized vehicle. With true telescoping technology, you can easily carry a ladder with just one hand. Extend and Climb offers both a home and pro series of ladders for every application. Because of true telescoping technology, they are perfect for projects around the home. Builders, painters, and contractors of all types use them for their jobs every day. They are used in large factories, hotel chains, and warehouses.